we just wanted to talk to you about Thin Mints.
Here, open the door up to a flasher.
I already know about Thin Mints.
Hold on, I have to discuss something with my teammate. Don't you fucking open that door, we will blow your face off. You understand us?
Okay.
We got Sammy Simmons.
Alright, so I'm gonna kick.
You can't kick that door.
The door. Oh, you can't kick it? Oh, I'm gonna open it,
No, it
then
opens out.
flash it, and then we're gonna pull out our fucking melees.
Alright.
Alright.
Hmm?
Okay, we're coming in to give you some Thin Mints now.
No.
They're beautiful.
No.